Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best brew coffee makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja CP307 Hot and Cold Brewed System. This silver and black design will instantly make any kitchen look fabulous, and it's ultra-modern with the digital screen and one-touch buttons. The user-friendly panel is easily accessible on the front. Here you can select among many options, and this is where this coffee maker excels: versatility. Firstly, you can do both hot and cold drinks, and this design even caters for teas. Also, whether you have loose leaf, ground or bagged types, this machine can handle them all. The high-tech unit can even recognize whether you're using the coffee or tea basket, so some settings are registered automatically. For those who opt for hot brews from time to time, there's a frother hidden on the side. Can you see how many options this small machine gives you? You can cater for the whole family or simply make a cup for yourself. This is done by picking a brew size. It's slightly more expensive than some other similar models, but since you can pick various types of coffees, even specialty types, it's well worth the money for most consumers. Some want the brand to make cleaning easier, but for so many options it's acceptable to put in some effort from time to time. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Gallon Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Here's how you can make cold brew coffee just about anywhere you travel. Simply take this simple but effective product with you. It incorporates a glass jar which is easy to pack and is strong enough to add to your picnic luggage. The glass is certified as food safe and won't crack when placed in the fridge. Part of its efficacy is the mesh filter made of stainless steel. This keeps the grounds out of your coffee, and in the absence of plastic there won't be odors or chemicals spoiling your brew. There is also a high-quality seal incorporated into the design, so no food odors will creep into your coffee, even if it stays in the fridge for a week or two. This is also a smart investment for any household, as you can use the container to infuse water with fruit and create other refreshing drinks. Note that not all components in the lid are of stainless steel. They may rust over time. Some consumers complain that the spigot starts leaking, but many solve this problem by tightening it with a wrench. Apart from this, it's one of the easiest and most effortless ways of making a cold brew. Just be prepared to wait a while, as this one takes long to steep. Luckily, you get a large amount of brew at a time, so you can make enough for a few days and simply keep it cold, ready to drink. At number 3, we have the Coffee Gator Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Here's another one to love for its portability and simple design. This one doesn't make as much as the previous model, but the smaller design is ideal for taking with on trips. We also love the modern design with the same benefits of strong borosilicate glass as the original grind coffee jug reviewed above. With this one you'll appreciate the lid. It's leak-proof and won't let anything in or out. That makes it safe to leave your cold brew in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. Once again, this traditional method doesn't use power, of course, but that means you'll have to wait about a day, or longer if you like coffee really strong, for the liquid to steep. Some users who prefer coffee less strong can try steeping for 8 to 12 hours. The method is pretty easy, and some may prefer the pouring to the spigot installed in the glass jar above. There's less chance of leaking. There's even a funnel so you don't mess while adding the ingredients. The brand makes it easy to get the ratio just right by providing a measuring scoop. With this one, the filter is made of very fine mesh and covers a large space in the center of the jug. Unfortunately, some grounds in the center often don't get as saturated, so you may miss out on some flavor. It's also a bit messy to scrape out all the grounds from such a deep filter. At number 2, we have the County Line Kitchen Cold Brew Mason Jar Iced Coffee Maker. Our budget pick not only shows how easy it is to make great tasting cold coffee, but also comes with a few nifty extras. Firstly, you get a very sturdy design, and it's very compact. The size makes it practical to carry with you or keep on hand in the car as a refreshing drink while on the road. What makes it so practical is the flip cap top. It's super easy to take a sip and quickly seal afterwards to keep the flavor safe inside. The design is also very strong and well made, so there's not much risk of the cap coming off or the jug breaking. Even the filter has been tested for its strength, so it will last you a long time. The mesh will keep its form, so it effectively filters the flavor from the grounds, giving you optimal brews without any of the ground particles ending up in your coffee. This one works well if you shake it well after adding the coffee and screwing on the top. Once again, the high-quality lid with its effective seal comes in handy here. Then leave it for hours, usually 24, before it's ready. It's a long time to wait, but worth it. One improvement the brand should think of is adding some grip to the exterior of the jug. This will make it easier to get the lid airtight, as your hands may slip if the glass is wet. And finally at number 1, we have the Dash Rapid Cold Brew Coffee Maker. This iced coffee maker ranks at the top of our list because of many unique features. For starters, it's super fast compared to many others, as you only have to wait 5 minutes to get a high-quality cold brew. Unlike some other models, you also have multiple options in terms of the type of brew you get. Here you can adjust the intensity of the flavor, so you can cater for those who prefer a lighter or darker brew. There are 3 settings, with each one taking a different time: 5, 10 or 15 minutes. This is a much easier method than manually monitoring the strength of your coffee, as some traditional models below require you to. You're also given a user-friendly design, but some users do say there is some leaking when you pour. This only happens with older units if the connection points get dislodged though. Apart from that, the spout makes pouring easy and you can place the container in the fridge. No need to decant it into another jug. As only BPA-free plastic is used, you even heat it up if you're in the mood for a hot cup. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.